Hello YouTube, this is Alexander again. Today a very short video talking about this device. I made a repair on it because it was quite old and it has several gears on his counter, and this is the Gefran 2400, and this is a controller or regulator, and it was absolutely faulty. The device was always flickering and not able to make the regulation, so this unit was replaced by another one, but of course I tried to make a repair on it, and after a little troubleshooting and little struggling, I discover something I want to attract your attention on. It's those very pretty capacitors whose have a very nice shape, but actually you have not to trust them because they are absolutely faulty. As you can read on this paper, they pretend to have this value, but actually the real value is this one. You absolutely need this kind of device to check your capacitors, and this one is actually very nice because he tells you the capacitor, in the same time it tells you the ESR or the capacitance value. Also, this one is very known on the internet, very famous. This one is actually very good, and this one also I use a lot of ESR meter to be sure about the result. But simply, if you look very closely at those little capacitors, you can see they have a very nice shape, and despite of it, they are completely dead. So you have to check randomly the capacitors on this kind of PCB of the power supply to try to understand and try to repair the flickering effects. And of course, during this flickering effect, the device is not able to make its job. So, and despite the fact that they are not leaking, and despite the fact they seems very pretty, they are completely dead. If you have not this ESR meter, you cannot make your troubleshooting. So I managed to make to solder another capacitors which are not the same size, but I managed to fit them with connecting more length, more longer wire on the capacitors before to connect them on the PCB. And as you can see, this device is perfectly working now. It was flickering and singing with a very strange sound, like it was a cricket on the nature. So I want just to show you. Okay, it's removed, and I want just to show you those faulty capacitors. Those ones are new on this PCB, and they work very nice actually. So this device is quite old, and this video is just to attract your attention about on the very nice capacitors, very beautiful, very pretty, but actually they are all dead. So okay, let's connect this. Okay, now it's perfectly working. This device costs quite expensive despite the age of this device. You can find it from $500. It's not very cheap. So okay, This video was just to attract your attention on those very bad, faulty but pretty capacitors. Okay, I hope you like this video. It was Alexander again, and until you see you soon.